Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Sainte-Thérèse-de-Gaspe is a small coastal municipality on the Gaspé Peninsula in eastern Quebec. It is part of the La Roche-Percé region and sits along the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The community has a population of just under 1,000 people, giving it a close-knit rural character where many families have lived for generations. The coastline, forests, and rolling farmland define both the landscape and the local way of life. The area was settled by French-speaking families who were drawn by the rich fishing grounds and the opportunities offered by the sea. The municipality takes its name from Sainte-Thérèse and the Gaspé region, which has been an important part of Quebec's history since the earliest days of European settlement. Over time, small farming communities developed alongside fishing villages, creating an economy that depended on both the land and the water. Fishing remains one of the region's most important industries. Many residents work in lobster, crab, shrimp, and ground fish harvesting, while others are employed in seafood processing plants during the busy fishing season. Tourism has become increasingly important, especially during the summer months when visitors come to explore the Gaspé Peninsula and nearby Percé. Housing here is generally much more affordable than in Quebec's major cities. Recent census data shows an average owner-occupied home value of about $181,000, although actual selling prices vary depending on the property's size, age, condition, and proximity to the waterfront. Lower housing costs, combined with the natural beauty of the region, make the area attractive to retirees and people looking for a quieter coastal lifestyle. Today, Sainte-Thérèse-de-Gaspe reflects the resilience of Quebec's coastal communities. Its economy continues to adapt while preserving traditions that have shaped the region for generations. Visitors often remember the fresh ocean air and the spectacular scenery that makes the Gaspé Peninsula one of Canada's most distinctive regions. Whether people come for the history, the coastline, or the seafood, Sainte-Thérèse-de-Gaspe offers a genuine glimpse into life along Quebec's eastern shore. Thanks for watching!